Hello guys, welcome to CDFX Trading Community YouTube channel, and today I'm sharing with you the weekly bias for the Nasdaq 100 chart on June 6th, 2022. Okay, getting into it guys, we can see that over here we have quite a nice setup with price trading up to a potential resistance area and breaking short-term highs, and as well as setting up for quite a nice retracement back to this area of imbalance here. So taking you right into it, we can see that price here previous week ran a short-term high at a resistance area, and we created sort of like equal lows at this region here. So for this week's setup, I'm looking for price to trade below these equal lows, as well as tap maybe below the 50% area, reaching a discount where we could see to enter long, attacking these equal highs here, as well as trying to reach for this area above here. So going to the lower time frame on the 4-hour chart, we can see that at our potential resistance area, we created a sort of, if I can just show it right there, like this, so just quickly. On the 4-hour time frame, we see that on the Nasdaq we created rather a higher high, and on the S&P as well as the US 30 price created lower high swings, but above this region here, at this area here, the S&P as well as the US 30 did trade actually above to reach that area right there. And as for the Nasdaq, we respected our potential resistance area, creating a high high, taking out that high, and then we experienced this drop on Friday. So now, taking you deeper into my daily bias, which was bearish and is still bearish. I'm still looking for lower prices since I want to take out, to be quite exact, these lows as well as these lows right here, since I want to push price down to the 50% below to a discount. And yeah, we can see that price at this area here, what I take out to use for my sell entry is I want to see price on a 1-hour time frame trade up to a potential resistance zone. So for my resistance zone, I have this bullish order block right there. I have this bearish breaker right here, and as well as this high that we ran and then we came back below. So I'm looking to see price come back, test at this area here, and then if we make it to that area, I can then expect price to trade lower. Investigating price further, going down to the 15-minute time frame to get more intel as to our potential turning area. I'm gonna show you real quick. Let me zoom out a bit. Okay, everything's cool. Okay guys, this is the 15-minute time frame, the Nasdaq chart, June 6, 2022. We can see from today's open, midnight open, New York, price trade just a bit below and then ran up. With price trading like this at the open, this is just creating liquidity below, because for whoever bought at this area right here, price breaking above, going further on, the area where they want to see themselves break even or move their stop loss is more especially this area right here. So then I also use the Asian range projection to project the area where price could turn, and we can see that from the fourth projection, we actually do try to reach that area of a breaker, and as well as the 1 hour bearish order block, as well as the resistance area. So if I can see a setup right at this area right there to sell, I'll look to sell. Or if price is not going to take out that high and leave those equal highs, making a throw on liquidity, and then I'll see for market structure shift on the lower time